Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tag Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm going to walk through how can you add borders in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, to add borders around video, just click on this tool which is called rectangle tool, and after that from the corner of this video click from your mouse and make it cover the whole video like this, and after that click on essential graphics and just check this and uncheck this. After that you need to just make it like to cover the like this border, making the border. After that you can make it like this shape if you like. If you want this also. Like this. Now let's just make it the whole video. Now if you want to move this video and click on this motion, you can just change this video, but as you can see the border won't be with the video. So let's just put the border together. So let's just click on this clip like this, the whole clip. Right click from your mouse and just click on nest and click on OK. And now if you just select this clip like this and click on motion, you can change the whole video together like this. So guys, that's how you can add border around video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tag Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.